And welcome back to another movie review. This time we're taking a look at a thing called Power of Grayskull, Definitive History of He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. I'm older than these toys, so I wasn't a big fan of them. Didn't pay much attention, other than to kind of disregard them, because I thought they were kind of silly when I looked back at them and they weren't as cool as Star Wars figures. But this was an interesting movie. I really would recommend this one. I like watching movies about businesses and industries, and this one definitely talks about, from the business angle, where they came up with this thing and how intentional it was, and it can potentially be taken as almost taking advantage of kids. I mean, they definitely engineered these toys and everything about them in order to appeal to kids, and I don't think it was done with bad intentions other than making money, but interesting in 2020 hindsight to see some of the results of some of the consequences of some of their unintentional or deliberate actions back in the day. And this one has lots of access. It's well done. I would highly recommend it. If you're a fan of these toys, you're going to like it. If you're a fan of industry and business, you're going to like this one. It's about toys, so it's kind of fun, but it's also about business and coming up with a product and marketing and success and failures. And there's lots of interviews with real people that were involved, so it's also got lots of historical insight to this particular piece of history or this industry. And I can't recommend it enough. I'm going to give this one 8 out of 10 millimeters. I would recommend it. Nothing about guns in it other than, it was the alternative to G.I. Joe and Star Wars back in the day. And even if you're never been a fan of the toys or the cartoons or the movie, I'd highly recommend watching it if you're a fan of capitalism and the 80s. So let us know in the comments what you think. We'd like to thank our Patreons for giving us the time to work on fun projects like this one. Thanks for watching.